I'm Lucien Ouellette. I'm a sports medicine non-operative physician here at OrthoVirginia. I chose orthopedics because of my interest in anatomy and the way things move and the way things function. My initial training was in pediatrics, and I did some extra training in order to better understand bones and joints and muscles and things. OrthoVirginia. So I chose OrthoVirginia when we were looking for a new job. I practiced 16 years in Maine and was really looking for a group that had a lot of camaraderie amongst the physicians and from the physicians through the staff. And when we came down and interviewed and spoke with everyone at OrthoVirginia, that's all that we saw was fantastic camaraderie. So it was a big draw for us to come down this way. If I had advice for new employees, it would just be ask a lot of questions. Make sure you understand your job and why it's important for you to do the parts that they're training you to do. Every part is a piece of the puzzle that ultimately leads to the quality patient care that we provide. So ask as many questions as you need to understand why you're doing things. And then the most important value for me would probably be unity. To me, unity ties into teamwork. Patient care that we provide really starts with the people answering the phones, making the appointments, all the way up through the staff and patients and physical therapy and the full rehabilitation until the patient's fully recovered. So if we're all unified and working together, it's a much smoother and much smoother process for the patients and a much better recovery.